Parineeti Chopra was born on 22 October 1988 in Ambala, Haryana, India. She attended Convent of Jesus and Mary Ambala and went to Manchester Business School, Manchester, England for further studies. Parineeti obtained a triple honours degree in business, finance and economics. Chopra was a studious child and always bagged one of the top 3 positions in her class. She secured the AIR #1 in SSC exams and was awarded by Pratibha Patil, then President of India. Parineeti always aspired to be an investment banker. In 2009, during the economic recession of the UK, she was unable to find a job in London and hence returned to India. Chopra joined Yash Raj Films as public relation consultant while she was working for the promotions of Band Baja Barat. It was then that she decided to become an actress. She resigned from her executive position to attend an acting school. Parineeti also received training in singing and has done BA Honours in Music. Physical appearance: height 5.5, weight 58 kg, eye color brown, hair color black. Family: Parineeti belongs to a Hindu family. Her father Pawan Chopra is a businessman and her mother is Reena Chopra. She has 2 brothers, Shivang Chopra and Sahar Chopra. Parineeti Chopra is the cousin of actress Priyanka Chopra, Meera Chopra and Barbie Handa. Parineeti made her acting debut in 2011 with the Bollywood film Ladies vs. Ricky Bahl. Although she played a supporting role in the film, her performance was critically acclaimed and earned her Filmfare Award for Best Female Debut. Next, she starred in Ishaqzade opposite Arjun Kapoor. Parineeti played the role of tomboy Muslim girl who marries a Hindu boy. Subsequently, she appeared in films like Shuddh Desi Romance, Hasi To Phasi and Daawat-e-Ishq. In 2017, she featured in the romantic drama Meri Pyari Bindu alongside Ayushmann Khurrana. Chopra also made her singing debut in the film Singing. Controversies. In 2016, Rishi Kapoor took a dig at Parineeti when she was awarded for losing huge weight. Kapoor said, "I couldn't believe it when they recently gave an award to Parineeti for losing weight. Can someone please give me an award for gaining weight?" Awards. Filmfare Award for Best Female Debut for the film Ladies vs. Ricky Bahl in 2011. Zee Cine Award for Best Female Debut for the film Ladies vs. Ricky Bahl in 2012. Screen Award for Most Promising Newcomer for the film Ladies vs. Ricky Bahl in 2012. National Film Awards Special Mention for Ishaqzade. Salary and net worth. Parineeti net worth is estimated to be 7 million. She gets paid 2 to 4 crore per film. Favorite things: food, rajma chawal, kadhai, chicken, pizza, margherita. Favorite actor, Saif Ali Khan. Favorite actress, Rani Mukherjee. Favorite films, कुछ कुछ होता है, पाकीज़ा and बर्फी. Favorite musicians, Sonu Nigam, Suniti Chauhan, A.R. Rahman, Amit Trivedi and Beyonce. Favorite songs: Just a Dream by Nelly, Hey Baby Pitbull, T-Pain, Loca by Shakira and Who's That? Favorite restaurant: Ping Pong, Mangi Farah, Indigo and Mumbai. Favorite destination: Goa and London. Facts about Parineeti Chopra: her hobbies include dancing, singing, meditation, reading, swimming and workout. She resides at a sea-facing flat in Bandra, Mumbai. Parineeti is a tea lover. She hates cooking. Parineeti never leaves her home without a face wash, perfume, lip balm and cell phone charger. Parineeti reduced around 25 kgs of weight after signing a 3-film contract with Yash Raj Films. The actress earlier weighed 86 kgs. Parineeti is a huge gadget lover. She has a phobia of plane landing. Parineeti prefers wearing good clothes, irrespective of that fact that they are branded or not. Parineeti has been the personal assistant of Rani Mukherjee for one day and she considers it as one of the best days of her life. It was Rani Mukherjee who advised Chopra to become an actress. Surprisingly, she has also worked as a team leader for football club Manchester United for catering during the matches.